Now we're going to add our aerial image that shows where everything is, satellite type view. So I'm back on the web page and I'm going to click. I have two versions of this. One is an inverted image, and I think we'll do all right if we just use the standard version. This is here in case we have some problems, which I'll describe later. So we're going to click on aerial site image. It'll open up. I'm going to right click on it to save it. And you can see this is the feature set that we want to map to that, to our topography now. So I'm going to save this image, and I don't really, I'm not concerned with what the name is. It says Site 5 Flip, which is fine. So we'll just save that. Then we can close that off. And I'll close off the browser so we're back into our Revit environment. And now I'm going to select the topography here. And you'll notice that we can give it a material, and our material is just going to be substituted for that image. So I'll go ahead and click on that. That's going to open up our window so that we can create a texture. Excuse me just a second here. So I'm going to go to create a new material. Oops. Create a new material. I'll right click on that so I can rename it. And I'll call it site topo, site image, let's say. And we'll go ahead and click on image. It's going to ask to import one. We'll grab that Site 5 Flip file and I'll import that. And now we're going to make some modifications to it. So I'm going to click on it. And this is just from experimentation to get it to sit right on our topography. I'm going to offset it -50, and that's locked together, I believe. So that one should update. I thought it would. There it is. So they're both the same. And then we need to change our sample size, and this we want to have unlocked. So, but let me put it in. It's 750 feet by 1350 feet. And oops, it went in as inches. So let me make sure I correct that right away. And I'll click done and apply and OK and click off of that. And I forgot one step. I forgot to rotate the image. So I have to go back and I'm going to just select that material again and click into the browser, grab this, and where it says rotate, I'm just going to put a 9 in front of this so it's 90 degrees. And that should do it. And click off of it. And now if I was to rotate around here, you can see how nicely mapped our satellite image is to our contours and topography. So next we'll we'll work at extracting the kind of details we want, like the layout of the roads, maybe this court over here, and we'll have a good idea where we want to place our building. And we'll do that next.